And welcome, world. It's so great to see you again. If you haven't or you don't know me, my name is John Manning, and I'm the owner of YourCreditNow.com, where we do credit repair. This is another how-to video or tip video for you guys to help you increase your credit score within 30 to 90 days. On this video, again, I'll be giving you 6 super cool tips that will allow you to increase your credit score in 30 to 90 days. I'm going to give you the game. But before we jump in, please like the content. If you like it, please go ahead and comment. I look forward to looking at you guys' feedback. And please, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you could get notification whenever we put out new content, okay? Let's go ahead and jump right into it. The 6 tips that I want to talk about with you guys that will increase your credit score over the next 30 to 90 days, that will give you the boost you need to go ahead and be able to qualify for the things you need. Let's go ahead and talk about them. The first tip, okay, is no shocker, guys. But let me tell you, the first tip is to pay your bills on time. Pay your bills on time. Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. So please, when going through the repair process, please pay your bills on time. The second most important thing that I want to go ahead and just sneak right in there and talk to you guys about is utilization, credit utilization, keeping your balances under 30%. Ideally, if you can, 10%. Credit utilization is a very big part of the your credit score. Remember, again, it counts for 30% of your credit score is how much is owed. Please go ahead and please pay down those primary trade lines balances, guys. Keep it under 30%. Keep those credit cards under 30%. This will allow you or help you get to the next level you're trying to go to as far as improving your credit over the next 30 to 90 days. Next thing I want to go ahead and speak to you guys about, or the next tip that I want to just go ahead and throw out there is please do not apply or open up any new accounts unless it's absolutely necessary, because you don't want too many hard inquiries. Hard inquiries on your credit score actually takes your credit score down. It takes a hit each time you get a hard inquiry. So be careful when you're applying for credit, so that you know, okay, I'm going to apply for this mortgage, please just, or I'm going to apply for this car loan, and you're shopping around. Just please be mindful of the time, and please just make sure you're looking at and you plan for those inquiries that's going to take place on your credit report. So that is I can't remember if that's 2 or 3. I'm thinking it's like 3 tips. Okay, so the 4th tip is do not close any credit cards. Yes, if you have a credit card, please don't go ahead and close that credit card. Instead, it's wise to keep it open and just use it minimally, so that you can go ahead and continue to have that credit history. Try not to close your credit cards, whether they're paid off or not. Please try not to close your credit cards. The next big thing that I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about a little bit is disputes. Okay, any information that is reported inaccurately or that is something that you're unsure about, you need to go ahead and dispute it, guys. You need to go ahead and dispute it. Most people, I mean, around the, especially in the United States, have inaccurate things reporting on their credit report. So it's important to go ahead and dispute those inaccurate items that's on their credit report so that you can, again, improve your credit score in the next 30 to 90 days. I'm not sure if I gave you 5 or 6 tips. Everything was going so fast, but I can say this. If I did not, then I will go ahead and give you that tip on the next video. But if you want more information, guys, or you need help with any of the information we talked about, please go ahead and use the link below and go ahead and you'll be able to get more information on how to, again, improve your credit score in the next 30 to 90 days. Okay, guys, that is it for my tips for today. If you like my information, please hit that like button and please subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Again, more information, go to urcreditnow.com. Thank you. Bye.